I'm sure you're all wondering, what are the assignments? Just tell me what I need to do to get through this course, right? So this video is going to talk a little bit about the assignments that are posted in the course and the measurable performance objectives that you will need to meet in order to demonstrate success in this course. So I'm going to start by opening up our homepage, and we are going to go to Getting Started. And we're going to find the list of graded assignments. This is where we're going to start today. We're going to be talking about each one of the units. So for Unit 1, we're going to write a personal essay. There is a pre-writing activity. So part of what you're going to learn in this course is the writing process. How to start by brainstorming and planning and then revise that into a rough draft, and then do a little bit more revision and finally get to a final draft. In a longer course, a longer semester, we break those tasks down a little bit more, but because this is such an accelerated semester, for each writing assignment, you're going to do one pre-writing activity and before the final. So for Unit 1, you'll do a brainstorming planner, and then you'll do the personal essay, and then you're going to turn that essay into an oral presentation. You're going to record yourself speaking and presenting. For Unit 2, we're going to have a summary response writing assignment. You'll do pre-writing, a planner, and you'll do a final draft. In Unit 2, we are also going to do a skills assessment, which is just a quick skill check about language problems, which is one of the content areas that you'll learn about. And we have a quiz on the content, the lecture content of the course up to this point. In Unit 3, there's another skill check on ethos, pathos, logos, another quiz on the remaining lecture content from the course, and you'll do a critical response essay, which will have a pre-writing component and a final draft. And then for Unit 4, we'll do our final paper of the semester, which is a critical analysis. It's a lengthy analysis evaluation essay. That also has a pre-writing component and a final draft. So over the course of the semester, you have the opportunity to earn 1,000 points. And in order to pass that, you need to earn 745 points, or a 74.5%, which rounds up to a 75, which is the lowest passing grade in the course. So that is essentially what you're going to be, those are your deliverables that you'll be turning in this semester. I hope that answers any questions that you have, but if it doesn't, please feel free to email me and I'll be happy to help.